Hello friends. Welcome to the CRACK CLAT tutorials, to the point current affairs series for CLAT and other law entrance exams. Donald Trump has become the first president of the USA in history to be impeached twice by the House of Representatives. He was charged for inciting an insurrection. Trump was impeached by the U.S. House of Representatives with 232 to 197 votes on a single charge of incitement of insurrection at the Capitol, which left 5 dead. Donald Trump was previously impeached on charges of abuse of power and obstruction of Congress over the Ukraine scandal. Mechanism of impeachment of President in USA. The legislature of the United States of America, i.e. Congress of the United States, consists of 2 houses. The Senate, in which each state, regardless of its size, is represented by 2 senators. House of Representatives, to which members are elected on the basis of population. Reasons for impeachment. The USA Constitution states that the president can be removed for conviction of treason, bribery, or other high crimes or misdemeanor. Earlier impeachments. 3 USA presidents, Trump in 2019, Bill Clinton in 1998 and Andrew Johnson in 1868, previously were impeached by the House but acquitted by the Senate. Thus, no USA president ever has been removed from office through impeachment. Mechanism of impeachment of President in India. Article 61 of the Constitution of India sets out the process for the impeachment of the President of India. In India, the President can be removed only for violation of the Constitution, and the Constitution does not define the meaning of the phrase violation of the Constitution. The impeachment charges can be initiated by either House of Parliament, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha.
Start your CLAT preparation with CRACK CLAT tutorials, exclusive interactive online classes for CLAT 2021. Register now at www.crackclat.com.